Good morning children. Let us learn a new design today. Now we are going to learn a cute octopus. Okay. So let us begin. You know how to draw a circle. What you have to do is in these 4 squares we have to draw the octopus. So for that from this point we will draw a circle touching this point and this point. Okay. So you have to draw a semicircle like this, bring it down, fold it from here and then again bring it outside like this, okay, on both the sides. Then from the center you will make one arm of the octopus like this. It should be narrow from the top, okay. Then fold it again, bring it like this and then again join it to the line which we have drawn previously, okay. Same you have to do this side also. Like this. So we will show 5 arms this side and 3 are at the back, so that will not be seen. So you have, you know, octopus has got 8 arms, but we will draw 5 here, okay, like this. Then from the center point where both the lines are crossing, there you will draw the mouth of the octopus like this. Then you will draw 2 eyes, one this side and one this side, and make a small oval shape inside. Then make 2 ovals this side for the cheeks, okay. So you have to make the face in the octopus in this way. Then you will leave 2 lines. Again you will draw the same figure. Start from here, this side also, bring it down, fold it inside, again take it outside. Then from the center draw one leg like this, again join it here, okay. Then this side like this. Now you have to make the mouth here, 2 eyes, and 2 cheeks like this, okay. Like this you have to leave 2 squares and then draw the octopus. Again you will leave 2 squares and draw the octopus here, okay. So 3 octopus should come in one line like this. Like this, okay. Then below you will leave only one line you have to leave, and again draw below it from here, okay, like this. Like this you have to draw, leaving 1 square, then again you will leave 1 square and again you will draw. So this side also 3 octopus will come in one line, this side also 3 will come in one line, okay. So total 9 octopus should come in one page, okay children. So complete this design and I will tell you how to color it in the next class, okay. Bye, have a nice day.